Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I will show you how to change theme on Google Chrome. So let's start. Over here you can see I am here in Google Chrome. To change theme, on the bottom right you will find this pencil icon called Customize Theme. Click on this and this interface opens over here. You can see here is option of Change Theme. Click on this. And over here you will find default Chrome, upload an image, solid colors or many other options to choose from. Now I'll go with something this landscapes. And over here we can find many beautiful landscapes. I'll choose this one. My theme is changed over here. Also we can upload an image by ourselves. Now I don't have many options of image but I'll choose this one. Okay, you can see I have uploaded this theme to Google Chrome from my desktop. So in this way we can change theme on Google Chrome. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.